Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today is a little bit of a different video that I have in store for you guys. So I'm going to be unboxing this really cool Nutricook by Nutribullet. It is a very cool gadget that I found in the store. I really would love to unbox it for you guys and test it out. But before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Just a side note, if you would love to get this pot, I will definitely leave a link in the description box down below. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, it is officially time. Let's take a look inside. So first things first, there is an instructions manual. Not the most exciting thing, but we gotta need an instructions manual. As you can see, there's two, one in English and there's another one in an Arabic version. Alright, let's look at the what's included page. It includes a 1000 watt cooker base, stainless steel cooking pot, steam rack, soup spoon, rice paddle, measuring cup, and user guide. And then on this page, it shows all of the parts, all of the different parts that come with this pot. So that's pretty cool. And then over here it gives us more information about the different features, how to use the different parts, where to put the different parts. So let's quickly skim through this whole manual so we can get our pot out. So after the manual, we have the wires, and then once we go in deeper, we can see the pot. As you can see, it's wrapped really tight, obviously. And once we get it out, there it is. All right, so let's get all of the packaging off and open it up. And in the lid, there's some rubber sealing. And as you can see, we just found the other things. Let's open it up. We just found these soup spoons, and then we have the measuring cup and the rice paddle. And over here we have the steam rack. And last but not least, we have the stainless steel pot. It looks exactly like a normal stainless steel pot, nothing special, has the measurements, and yeah. And finally, here is the cooker base. As you can see, it comes with all of these buttons that look a little complicated, but it has start, cancel, all of the normal buttons like adjust, pressure cook, delay, etc. Alright, so now we've unboxed it, took a little look at it. Now let's head over and do the test run. First things first, let's connect the power cord to a power source. Now that that's out of the way, the pot should be displaying the word off. Now we're going to insert the inner pot into the cooker base and then add 3 cups, aka 750 milliliters of water into the inner pot. Close it up and make sure when you're closing the pot, it firstly aligns the unlock sign with the arrow on the bottom. And when you want to securely close it, make sure to align the locked sign with the arrow on the bottom. If the lid is not closed properly, it will keep continuously showing the word lid on the screen unless and until you properly secure the lid. And now after the lid is securely closed, it's gonna show the word off, and then you're gonna start to set your timer. Since I'm following this test run from the manual, I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. Now you're gonna press the start button. After pressing the start button, cooker displays on to indicate that it has begun preheating. And now you're gonna turn the knob from venting to sealing. When it finishes, a red light will pop up over the button Keep Warm. Now press Cancel. Now slowly and carefully turn the knob from sealing to venting position. Once you turn the knob, float valve will drop when pressure has been fully released. To open, turn the lid counterclockwise, and then the screen will display the word lid. Obviously, this was just a test run like I said, but if you guys would love some recipes with this pot, make sure to comment it down below and I will try my best to make it happen. Again, if you would love to get this pot, I will leave all the links in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video with a new recipe. Bye!